channel. Today I'm really excited to bring you a brand new video. I finally got all these pieces together. They came in on the same day, so I'm really excited to show you what I got from Unique Vintage. If you haven't heard of Unique Vintage, I don't know where you have been. They are the epitome of 50s era fashion. I gave Unique Vintage a try because I've been seeing them everywhere and I really love 50s fashion, so I wanted to update my wardrobe a little bit for this new year and get some more vintage style pieces and finally express like my love of 50s style. So that's what I am going to show you today, is some of the amazing pieces that I found from Unique Vintage. And I got all these amazing items for a great price. They had a fantastic sale, so I was able to snag some wonderful pieces, and they're going to be incorporated pretty much all year round. They are just some amazing pieces that I found, and I'm really excited to share them with you. And first up, I'm wearing one of the pieces. It's a very comfortable long sleeve, kind of like a polo style shirt, and this is from their Halloween collection, and I really love the Halloween collection, but let's just face it, it was a little bit pricey for me. I think this shirt was like $70 originally, but I didn't pay that. I think I paid like 20 bucks or something. So not about to pay full price. I love this shirt though. It's very comfortable. I really love this shirt. It has like a nice kind of vintage feel to it, and I really love the collar. As you can see right here, it has little skeleton animals all up and down the collar, and some parts it says boo if you're lucky to see it, but it kind of had like a Skelemals vibe to it, but updated and more adult. So really wanted to get this shirt. I really love these type of shirts. Love me a good black polo style shirt, and I believe it's made out of like 100% cotton, so beautiful to wear in the winter and spring times. It fits super well and it's form-fitting. That's what the back looks like, and I'm just like super obsessed with this shirt. Can't wait to wear it out the next time I go anywhere, because it's just a fun and sophisticated shirt at the same time. It's not too out there. It's just, you know, a little touch of spooky, which I love. So I want to show you some of the other pieces I got in my closet. I already hung up everything because I didn't want it to just lay around and collect dust, so I put it away, but I didn't forget this video, so let me show you what I got. I got this beautiful purse, also from Unique Vintage. Let me show you. It's well made, and I love the chain. It's very sturdy and very good quality. It's a chain link strap that you attach yourself, and you attach the little charm as well to the zipper, and it's a little back charm that has little silver glitter on the front. Really cute. When I saw this one, I was obsessed. I love pumpkins, and not just for Halloween or the fall. I just like them all year round, and I just wanted me a good pumpkin bag. I see pumpkin bags all over, but I haven't got one because they're so freaking expensive. So I found this one, and it's right up my alley because it's very unique, and I love the glitter shimmer all on the front of the bag, and it opens up, and there's a lot of room in here to put like pretty much everything that you need. So I'm glad with the space of the purse. I'm going to change my other purse out and put this one as my new purse, but I wanted to show you guys. And it has, I think, no pockets in here, but that's okay. I'm okay with that. But it's just a cute little bag to like bring around the town. Saying if you're going out for an event, you can have all your essentials in here. It's not a big bag where you can put just the whole world in it. Just your main essentials to get your day going. And I believe it's like a plastic material. It's not leather whatsoever. It's like a PVC sort of like faux leather material, so that's nice. They actually thought about their product, and yeah, really excited to finally get to start using this purse. All year round purse for me. This is what it looks like. As you can see, I'm going to stand on my tippy toes, so it's pretty long. But I think you can adjust it if you want. You could wear it like across over the shoulder as well to make it a little bit shorter. So if you're having trouble with it like bouncing off of your leg because you're short like me, you can just put it over your shoulder as well, like a crossbody. And it goes well with my shirt too. So really super excited to wear this both together as an outfit. Yes. Just, oh, I love this so much. This was a great find. I got these smoking pants. I think that's what they were called, like smoking high-waisted pants from the Halloween collection. These are adorable skull pants with like little bones right here. I love these. These are well made and they're super stretchy, so that's another plus. I love stretchy pants that can go all the way up here. Hide my little blubber right here. So I really love these. They fit so well. And I think I got a medium, so yeah, I was able to fit into a medium, which is nice for once. So yeah, definitely very comfortable and easy to put on. There's a side zipper right here with a little catch to hold everything in place. They are amazing pants. They fit super well for my height, so I don't have to like customize the size or anything. Well made and just phenomenal. They're 59% cotton, 35% polyamide, and 6% spandex. And you have to hand wash these. I just seen that now. But that's okay. I'm okay with that as long as they keep their shape and stay super cozy and comfortable. I'm okay with that. These are going to be great for in the winter, as much time we have for winter, I guess, and even into spring and definitely fall. Maybe not so much summer, I'll try, but definitely a beautiful statement piece of pants to have in my collection. So happy with their sizing too. Like, the sizes are amazing and they're super stretchy too. Ooh, look what I got. I got this shirt from the Halloween collection as well. It says, "Wake me when it's October." Yes, forget summer. I'm gonna hibernate in summer. Wake me when it's October. So this is a size medium black shirt with the white print. It has a coffin on the front with a little hand sticking out going peace. Really like this a lot. And also with the shirt, I got these pair of Paperboy shorts. So these ones are high-waisted shorts that have a zipper in the front with a little closure, I believe. No, they don't have a closure, they're just a zipper. Oh, there is like a little, is there a little? No, it's just plain zipper. You just get a zipper, you don't get a button. I didn't realize that, but anyway, these fit so well. High-waisted, kind of like a little bit corseted, so you might have to order a size up. I think that's what I did. I got a size, I believe, medium or a large. Not sure what size I got. What size did I get? I got a size, I'm not sure, but I think I got a size medium. But they're still super comfortable. If you don't like hugging high-waisted shorts or pants, maybe order a size up just for comfort, but to me, I can live with it. So these ones are medium, and I really like them a lot. They have some pockets in the back, along with the front as well. Yeah, there's 2 pockets in the front as well, and they're deep pockets too, so you can really put all your items in here, everything in your pockets, and be on the go. Great for like taking a walk or going out in a hurry and you're just like, I need something to put on. These will be great, and you'll still be fashionable. I really love the high-waisted shorts from that era, so I try to get as many as I can. So these ones were the best, in my opinion, that they had closest to like the style that I wanted. So these will be great for in the summer. I think this is like a cottony canvas material. That's what it feels like. So they're really sturdy, really good quality. I like the fit and feel, so really excited to have these. And they're hemmed at the bottom, so they have like a little hem rolled up right here on the bottom of the shorts. So really great find from Unique Vintage. And the last item I got, which is pretty awesome because I was like, oh, that is going to be perfect with the sweater that I got from Halloween from Target. I found a little hair scarf, and it's just a simple hair scarf. As you can see, you just put up your hair, or maybe even have it long and put it up. I don't know. Anyway, I saw it and I was like, that would be great for my sweater when I wear it. So just a basic scarf, white scarf with cute little bats all on the scarf. I'm going to have to learn how to like do this properly. It's too bad it's not big enough for an ascot. That'd be cute too, but you never know. So yeah, I got that so that way I can have like an accent to go with my sweater. Really thought it was like, you know, like a cute little touch for my sweater and to like boost my outfit a little bit, so that's why I got that. So those are all the amazing clothing items that I found from Unique Vintage at this point in time. I am just so blown away with them. I love the quality, love the clearance prices, not so much the regular, but the clearance is where it's at. So maybe you'll find some great clearance items for yourself. Definitely give them a shot. Check them out. I'm going to try and link their site down below in the description so that way you can get your hands on some beautiful vintage style clothes for a great price. And they have all types of eras from 1920s down to the 60s. So whatever your style is, they got you covered. They even have some fun holiday pieces as well, some fun accessories, and some novelty items as well. So definitely check them out. I don't think you'll be disappointed whatsoever. I think you'll love them too, just like I do. And right now I'm just like, I cannot wait to get more items from them because I just want my whole closet to be unique vintage items. So yeah, definitely check them out for sure. I want to thank all of you for joining me on my little Unique Vintage haul and just let me show you some of the pieces that I got, and hopefully it inspired you to get some Unique Vintage for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by leaving a huge thumbs up down below. It's very appreciated. You're appreciated for being here and supporting the channel. It's greatly, greatly appreciated for sure. I need all the support I can get. So like it up, share it up, all that fun stuff. Definitely subscribe for more videos. As always, I'll talk to all of you next time. Bye everyone.